dagan, gawa natin yung reaction video ang Barda compilation natin for today's video at medyo late na ang ating upload na naman. So without further ado, let's all watch this. Tingnan natin to. Alam mo, this is one thing that I noticed about Barda. Parang nagsagutan pala talaga sila dito. Although it was not intention, should I say. Pero may nagtagpi kasi, mamaya panoorin natin, may nagtagpi kasi ng dalawang video na malalaman mo talaga na, parang yung sagot nilang dalawa consistent and connected. Though hindi naman nila alam na yun yung sagot nila sa isa't isa. I don't know. Just like, yun lang talaga yung analysis ko na parang konektado ang dalawa. Di ba? Parang konektado talaga yung sagot nila. Anyways, without further ado, let's all watch this. Bibili ka ako confesses the word as helping change. Wait, I just wanna watch this one. Kay Scarlett muna. Panoorin natin muna yon. Ito, ang dami pala ng interview dito. Tingnan natin.
Spend together almost every day.
Spend together almost every day. When was this one?
Just sa akin, mas na-experience ko. And such a joy to work with Barbie, of course. Kasi napakagaling niya eh. Like yung love niya for acting is contagious. And dati ay madalas akong malate, ngayon hindi na. Dahil kay Barbie. Kasi nagagalit siya sa akin. So I think kasi next ko na mga teleserye or movie, kung hindi ko man siya kasama, hindi na rin ako late.
Oh, okay. Excuse me. Ay, ganda naman ng edit si Scarlett. Si Scarlett ba yung nag-ano sa body language? Yung nag-a-analyze? Siya yun, di ba? Ganda talaga ni Barang. You can never. Ang visual talaga ni Barang never disappoints. Seriously. Hindi talaga disappoint ang visual ni Barang. Ever. Okay. His Fashion Empire. Ay! 15 years from now, ito na naman sila. Ay, wait.
Gaano kayo ka-close, David?
Really close.
Ito parang na-misinterpret dito nila yung sinabi ni David. Parang may sinabi dito si David parang
Close.
I forgot the exact term.
Really
Pero wait,
close.
baka makita natin dito.
Constantly talking to each other? Do you check on each other as
Constantly
friends?
talking.
Ano yung closeness? Describe that.
Minsan, magkakamustahan kami via text, ganyan.
Mhm.
Kamusta lang, ganun. Parang, what's happening na? Kamusta siya? Kamusta yung movie na ginagawa niya? Yun na naman, it's more of that, like, good luck. And whenever we're together, like, shooting.
We're together.
Lately, kasi wala naman kaming teleserye.
Ganda niya talaga
So it's
mag-pronounce
more
it
of the-
together.
The endorsements that we're doing. Yeah, we talk about everything.
And nothing.
Yeah, and nothing. Just
Nothing.
Oo, hindi depende. Magka-girlfriend this year.
depende.
Ay, depende.
Oo, hindi
Gusto ko na depende.
Manligaw kay Barbie.
Depende.
Ay,
Okay. David,
Yeah,
makasalanan, mayaman.
mayaman.
Manunukso, magpapatukso.
Marunokso.
Magmamahal, mamahal.
manunokso. Kaya pala best inubad ka.
Mamahali.
Kaya pala
Bagyo,
best
may
inubad ka.
Bagyo,
Charis.
no?
Matinik, maharot.
Matinik.
Malambot,
Matinik.
matigas.
Matigas.
Matamis, maanghang.
Matamis.
Kulang sa kain o kulang sa tulog?
Kulang sa kain.
Kulang sa
Yakap,
anis.
halik.
Yakap.
Binibaby mo, binibaby.
Binibaby.
Baby ako.
Binibaby.
Love song ng buhay mo.
Love ko na
Di ba naalala niyo tuwing gumagawa ko ng reaction video, sinasabi ko talaga nagpapababy talaga si David. Yun talaga yun, nagpapababy talaga siya kay Barbie actually. So sinasadya pala talaga yun.
Oh my God.
Gusto niya pala talaga magpababy din talaga kay Barbie. Right?
Top of mind would be Iris. Just love the song.
Sign that you are in love.
Cute dito
Sign that
wow,
you're in
guys.
love. When you're just happy with everything, I guess.
Bahagi ng katawan na gusto mong minamasahe.
Ulo.
Bahagi ng katawan na gusto mong hinahawakan.
Bahagi ng katawan na gusto mo kamay.
Ano?
Pinakapogi ka kapag
Kapag ako ay nakikipag-date.
pinakamabait ka kapag
Um, Kapag nagawa ko lahat ng kailangan kong gawin.
Kinikilig ka kapag?
Nakakita mo yung type mo.
Galante ka kapag?
So, bye.
Kapag
Kuripot ka kapag?
Sa kaibigan.
kaibigan.
What about you and Barbie?
Sa kaibigan.
About you doing, for example, a film like this, and then
Nakakamiss naman to. David says we're very supportive for his new movie. Totoo naman, ikaw ba naman hindi ka nga ng cast, hindi ka nga kasama sa cast, pero tabi talaga kayong dalawa. Yung totoo. Diba?
Always when you
Yeah.
do projects.
Yung totoo talaga.
You didn't talk about this.
We did talk about it. I remember we were shooting Pulang Araw,
Mm.
and we had a scene together. And that was a day na...
Kayo ni Barbie?
Yeah.
Okay.
And that was the day na I accepted the role. So sabi ko sa studio, paano ako kaya sasabihin kay Barbie na, uy, meron nga pala akong movie tapos hindi ka kasama. Di ba? So sinabi ko sa kanya,
Mm.
Barbie, meron nga pala akong movie ni isa niya. Yun lang. And she was like, oh, wow. Wow, it's nice. So proud of you. Ganon.
Eh?
She's super supportive.
At least supportive siya, di ba?
These things.
Tapos ngayon si Sanya, inaaway na naman.
As
Ano na naman cheese?
you wanna grow outside of the love team and also grow inside the love team. So, I mean, Barbie is super...
They said we couldn't do it.
Eh, yes. Looks like we made it.
Look how far we've come, my baby.
Ang POV natin after 3 years. Ito na yung POV natin after 3 years. Kinakasal na. Uy,
We knew we'd get there.
tama ba yun? Parang pinangunahan naman natin sila for today's video. Hindi ganun yun ah. Parang sounds like toxic ako doon. Sa totoo lang. Natuwa naman ako sa sinabi ko.
We're still together, still going.
Gwapo ni Gina. Ang bagay na bagay. Feeling ko yung kasal nila ganyan. Kasi simpleng tao lang din naman sila eh, di ba? Guilty or innocent. Oh, what is this? Gamit,
Yeah, guilty.
gumagamit siya ng fake account.
You're stalking them.
Oh! Lied about your age. Yeah.
Dati nagpapatanda, ngayon nagpapabata.
Ay nga
Thank you for watching
nagpapababy.
this Kapuso exclusive video. Huwag niyo kaming kalimutan samahan sa mga sinihan ngayong Black
Tapos na
Saturday.
pala yun.
Samahan na.
Anyways, what's
So
next?
these questions are from Vanessa Balbuena.
Wait, napanood na natin to. Napanood na natin yan. Napanood na natin to. We will gonna check about other videos. May hinahanap ako yung interview kahapon ni... Sana ba yun? Patingin. Ay, ito. Ay, Reverend San.
Ay, grabe. Life-changing.
Ay, yun.
Eye-opening.
Sinasaktan niya din lahat ng gusto ni Barbie. Lahat ng mga sinasabi ni Barbie, sinasaktan niya din. Ay, dating yun. Well, gusto ko itong panoorin sa next video. Anyways, there you go guys. It is over for today's video over Barda compilation. And this is KJ Vlogs. And see you on the next vlog. Bye!